Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the cable and plug match, then cut the cable squarely. Use a precision stripper to remove 2-3 cm of jacket and expose pairs. Make sure you leave some jacket for strain relief. Fan the wires flat and align them to your chosen standard. T568B is common, so the order is correct before trimming. Once done, trim the wires straight to about 1/2 cm beyond the jacket, so they seat fully in the RJ45 plug. You now prepare each conductor by lightly tinning so solder wets the copper but does not bridge. Apply small solder beads, less is more, because excess will shape shift and short. Carefully insert wires into the RJ45 so each reaches the end of its channel. If a wire is too long, cut and reinsert. Crimp the connector to mechanically lock wires, then briefly reheat the contact pins, where solder meets the conductor to ensure a solid electrical joint without flooding the plug. You finish by removing any visible solder blobs and applying a heat shrink sleeve or boot for strain relief. This prevents flex fatigue at the joint. Next, connect an Ethernet cable tester and run a continuity and pair mapping check to verify all 8 conductors pass and no shorts exist. If the tester flags issues, inspect for crossed pairs, cold solder joints, or solder bridges under magnification. Reheat or redo the crimped plug as necessary to restore clean connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.